Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on tools, parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW X3 X4 that generation here from year 2010 to year 2018. If you guys need to find where the stop lights, also known as brake lights, fuses and relays are located, where you can find them, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Well guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, bodywork, a little bit of everything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we're going to put links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out, that way do not waste your money guys. Also, we will have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out guys. We'll have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs as well. So let's start on it now. So guys, this BMW has many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know that they even exist. You have up to 5 or 6 different fuse boxes, and for many of you, okay, some of those are special fuse boxes, kind of like this one here. If you don't know about them guys, we'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on BMW X3, X4. Check it out, it can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So guys, the stop lights, also known as brake lights, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this BMW right here. Guys, as you know, BMW X3, X4, they're built on the same platform, so most of the things should work for both vehicles. Now, we're working multiple fuse boxes, but the first one that we need to open the passenger door. Then you need to open the glove box, remove everything out of your glove box, because in the very back on the right side you have a cover. Press that tab, pull that cover out, and behind it you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses guys sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad. And let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need guys. You practically wasted your money. So all you have to do check your fuses, that way you don't waste money guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good, always test it. It even happened to us guys, okay, and we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see guys how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically guys do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below, how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. So here guys, multiple fuses will need to be checked. We'll talk about that, and relays in a little bit, we'll talk about it as well. Those are known as light fuses. There is very limited information, but if you have problems with your lights, okay, check these fuses. What we need to check now, if we zoom in a little bit, okay, here, that's fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4. Fuse number 4 will need to be checked right here, that 10M fuse. After that guys, we need to check fuse number 8 right here, fuse number 10, then 11, 12, 13, fuse number 13 will need to be checked, that 5M fuse. After that guys, we need to check fuse number 16, very important fuse right here. Next we need to check fuse number 24, so that's 23, that's 24 right here. In that fuse box you have 2 more that we need to check. One of them is 57, that 15M fuse, and fuse number 66, which is that 7.5M fuse right there. After that, Open the trunk, remove that cover, leave the insulation. Behind it you have another fuse box that looks like this one here, guys. Here we're going to zoom in a little bit and we need to check specifically a few, okay, let me see to get a good angle, a few fuses here. We're talking, guys, first about fuse number 101. That's very important fuse right here. Then you need to check fuse number 107. You may have all of them or some of them depending on your option package, guys. You need to check fuse number 140. That will be that fuse right here. Then you need to check fuse, guys, 173. That's 172, 73, we don't have that one. Relays, you have very limited amount of relays in that car, 4 or 5 relays at the most. Practically almost everything in that vehicle, guys, is controlled by control modules. That's the relay function, the control module. But those fuses are known as relay fuses, so if you have problems, okay, always check these fuses first. So guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays for your BMW at a good price, quick shipping, guys, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, because you have very specific fuses, especially these little fuse boxes, guys. Those could be really hard to find. You can see like the one right here as well, guys, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping as well. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.